Hello all my purple people and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted this year to do a themed fall, I guess a fall decoration porch. And I think I see every year like people decorating their houses and decorating their porches. And so I said, it's my turn. Time for your girl to boss up, okay? Time to grow up and decorate my little abode. I really just did outside, did not do inside. But here's what my porch looked like before. And to be honest, I really did not do any kind of decorating before. Somebody really going in on the Instagram. And so this year I had to like kind of start from scratch. So let's go and see what we can get into, see what we can find. And yeah, we finna do this, you know what I mean? So for a list of everything that I got, I'm gonna put it into the description box. But basically it was some pumpkins, some fall stuff from Aldi, LIDL, Hobby Lobby, and Ross. I think that's a mix of stuff. I'm gonna tell you right now, the best place for it was Aldi, and they kind of had the best prices. Now Hobby Lobby did have their stuff 50% off, so you know, just I guess do what you want to do. I think I did all this with less on a less than $150, so you know. So I didn't go through and clean the porch off because I lost the broom that I normally use outside. I did not bring my broom from inside to sweep outside. I'm not doing that. It's disgusting. But I couldn't find it, so I kind of just left it. But it doesn't really matter any fucking way because here we are. Okay, I did clean up the area primarily because I've been wanting to clean this area up. And I also didn't have much time because my sister watches Nate the baby. But yeah, the whole time I was doing this, Nate was in there cutting up and crying. So I really probably did this in like 10-15 minutes. And it really is playing with your height and your dimensions or whatever the case may be. So this blue, the big ass flower pot right here, has been here. It's heavy. I don't typically move it. Y'all look at my little door sign. They had it from Aldi. It was $15 and thick. Okay, the ones from Hobby Lobby were really thin. This one was thick, two-sided, and it was $15. Hobby Lobby's was, I think, $19.99. It was really thin, and it was not two-sided, so there's that. I think I'll flip it in a minute. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see what both sides of the sign look like with my decorations. But anyway, playing with height is important, so that's the reason why I got like the haystacks and all of that good stuff. Let me tell you how I looked up on these baskets for my bums, okay? I wanted some baskets in general for flower pots, and I went into Ross, and they had these on clearance for like $6. Whoop, whoop. And to me, it wasn't complete without the wreath. For whatever reason, I had to have me a fucking wreath. So I went off and looked up and found this at Aldi. Stupid cheap, okay? So this is what it was looking like when I was like, I want some more. I really want some more. So I went back and got me some more pumpkins from LIDL. And I also, what else did I do? Got me a little lantern from Hobby Lobby for 50% off. I think it was like $30. Got these trick or treat. So the other side of those pots is trick or treat. But I didn't really want like to mix up the Halloween and fall. So I turned them around and put my Crotons. Oh, look at that. Ooh! But yeah, I went ahead and turned it around so you can't really see the trick or treat part, and kind of left it there. And so I got these I looked up on Hobby Lobby because they had these 50% off, and I just love the look of the natural wood with the haystacks and the orange and the green. It was so pretty. Even the blue kind of ties into it all. But this is kind of it, y'all. Look at it. Ooh. Now, I did go ahead and like rearrange some other stuff. So if you follow me on Instagram, after I post this, you'll see what the end of it looks like. And I did film this in the afternoon. So the lighting is kind of, you're getting rid of the afternoon sun. So it's a little more golden. But I am going to post like the actual what it looks like during the day on my Instagram. But y'all, I am in love with it. I'm in love with myself for even attempting, because interior decoration, interior design is not my thing, or design in general when it comes to rooms and landscapes and shit ain't my thing. But what do y'all think? Leave a comment. Let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Oh, look at it. Oh, she did that. Yay. Bye.